You're on your way to enjoying clean, filtered water directly from your kitchen faucet. Use this installation video along with your owner's manual to install your new A.O. Smith undersink main faucet filter. Before you begin, make sure you read the owner's manual in its entirety for all warnings and details on special circumstances. Let's begin. You'll need to have these tools handy, along with your box contents. First, attach the system head to the bracket and cartridge to determine placement, and then detach. Place system head in the desired location and use a pencil to mark the top left A mounting hole. Use the mounting hole chart to mark the remaining holes. Using a 7/32-inch drill bit, drill holes in the marked locations. Using your Phillips head, mount the system head and cartridge mounting brackets using the provided screws. Place your cartridge into brackets and connect to your system head. Turn off the water supply and detach your cold water supply line. Attach your dual port adapter to the shutoff valve and reattach the cold water line to the dual port adapter. Connect 3/8-inch tubing to the bottom port and measure tubing to the system inlet marked in, cutting to length. Repeat the step for the top port and outlet marked out. Make sure tubing is now connected on all 4 points. Turn on your cold water supply, then turn on your kitchen faucet. Flush your cartridge for 15 minutes or until water runs clear. Just like that, you're done. Time to enjoy clean, filtered water directly from your tap.